Have you ever worried that every bite of sweet fruit might spike your blood sugar? If you've been told to avoid sweet fruits because of diabetes, you're not alone. But what if I told you that some sweet fruits might actually help you lower your blood sugar instead? According to new research, there are two naturally sweet fruits often overlooked by diabetics that can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and reduce insulin spikes. They're affordable, easy to find, and surprisingly, they taste delicious while working with your body, not against it. Today, I'll show you how these fruits can support your health, ease inflammation, and even help with weight control, naturally. But before we dive in, please hit the like button so this information can reach others striving to manage diabetes naturally. No one deserves to feel alone on this journey. Let's start with the first fruit, melon. Imagine grabbing a cold, juicy slice of melon on a warm afternoon. It feels like a treat, doesn't it? But here's the good news. Melon isn't just refreshing, it's a quiet hero for your blood sugar. Melons like honeydew and cantaloupe are over 90% water, packed with fiber, and low in calories. This combination slows down sugar absorption and keeps you hydrated, which helps reduce swelling in your joints and ankles, common concerns for many seniors. If you've experienced dry lips, tight skin, or morning joint stiffness, mild dehydration might be a hidden cause. Including melon in your breakfast or afternoon snack can make a real difference. Try this. Instead of cereal or toast, have a small bowl of chilled melon cubes with a dusting of cinnamon. Your joints and your taste buds will thank you. Melon's gentle fiber also supports digestion without the harshness of heavy fiber supplements. Cut your melon into cubes and keep them in a clear container in your fridge. When it's easy to see, it's easier to reach for a healthy choice. Worried melon might be too sweet for diabetes? Remember, the natural sugars in melon are balanced by water and fiber, allowing your body to process them without sudden spikes. Many people find that eating melon in the afternoon helps curb cravings for soda or pastries, a win for your health and your taste buds. You can also blend melon with cucumber and mint for a refreshing smoothie that helps with hydration, circulation, and gentle detox. Perfect if you're feeling stiff or tired. Next, let's talk about a small but powerful fruit that's often overlooked, the plum. Many people pass by plums in the grocery store thinking they're too sweet. But plums contain fiber and antioxidants that slow down sugar absorption, providing a gentle energy lift without a sugar rush. Plums can help with digestion, support regularity, and reduce inflammation, especially in your lower back or knees. They contain polyphenols that help ease joint discomfort, making them a comforting daily addition. Try this. Add sliced plums to your breakfast oats or plain yogurt. It adds color, flavor, and fiber to your morning routine, supporting blood sugar balance naturally. If you struggle with afternoon sugar cravings, grab a plum instead of cookies or soda. The natural sweetness satisfies your craving without triggering blood sugar spikes. Plums also provide magnesium and potassium, which support muscle relaxation and may help reduce nighttime leg cramps. Their antioxidants even promote brain health and emotional balance. Simple ways to enjoy these fruits. Here are a few easy, practical ideas. Freeze melon cubes for a refreshing, low-calorie popsicle alternative on hot days. Pair melon with grilled chicken in a salad for a hydrating, satisfying lunch. Sprinkle sliced plums with a pinch of cinnamon to enhance blood sugar control naturally. Bake plums with a squeeze of lemon juice and cinnamon for a warm, comforting treat. Combine melon and plum slices with a few almonds or walnuts for a balanced snack that's diabetes-friendly and satisfying. Final thoughts. Taking care of your health doesn't have to mean restriction and deprivation. It's about making small, consistent choices that support your body's natural needs. If you've struggled with managing your blood sugar, consider trying melon or plums daily for a week. See how your body responds, and let us know in the comments how you feel. Type melon or plum below if you're going to give this a try. Your experience might inspire someone else to make a small change toward better health. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss more natural ways to support your health, energy, and independence.
Your journey matters, and small choices can lead to big changes. Let's add a little sweetness back into your life, the healthy way.